India. Let's learn the names of 15 words in English. Peacock, owl, pigeon, crow, parrot, cuckoo, sparrow, kingfisher, cock, swan,